the Best Interpretation Award. The Best Interpretation Award goes to the individual who is best able to deliver the message of the piece with proper expression. Do you know who is the winner of this award? It comes from the class. He comes from the class of Prep Masunuri. Master Marco Antonio C. Nangkin. Congratulations, everyone. Again, boys, let's give them a big round of applause because they all did a good job. They are all winners because they were able to perform well. May we call on the teachers of each section to join us for picture taking.